So we've come to the end of this course, and I've covered everything that you need to know in order to build amazing websites with Quix Page Builder. Listen, if you've never coded before, if you want to get into the web design industry, which right now is really booming because a lot of companies have realized that the web is the way to go. So they are rushing literally to have someone create a high-end website, a quality website for them, whether it's for the e-commerce, for their live stream or anything. They are looking for people. And I've covered everything from the dashboard, the pages, the SEO, the templates, the integrations, the element. And we also took a look at the front end and all the features and all the things that you can be able to do with it. So now the question is, what are you going to do with this? You can literally change your life with this information. You can start your own web design business, creating different types of websites for clients. You can build amazing things. Once they let you know what they're looking for, you can come to the template section and see if there's anything here that is closely remote to what they're asking you to build. Now, if it's remotely close, I showed you how to be able to use the templates and also how to use the sections to be able to build anything you can imagine. So now the ball is in your court. The ball literally is in your court. Once again, if you want to get access to the full version of Quix, I recommend that you get the pro version. The free version has certain limitations on there, and you would not get access to all this. When you see pro, that means that you need the pro version of it. If it doesn't have a pro on there, then you can get that. But I would encourage you, if you're serious about creating websites, whether it's for your business or for clients, listen, you need to get this because it is going to save you so much time, so much headache, so much money, and it's going to make you money as well. So I would love to see what you create with this. Make sure that let me know when you create something with it because I want to see what creative things that you're able to come up with. So once again, awesome job for completing the course. Congratulations. Use the skill set. Please just don't let this be another course that you've successfully completed and then you just don't use it. The world needs more web designers, and businesses right now are desperately in need of people with your skill set. So go out there, make a change.